Okay. So good evening, or good morning, or good afternoon. So my name is King. So I'm putting you through how to. So first of all, what's the job basically about? It's basically about you, just like it said, creating and editing 2 to 3 minutes videos based on the script being given. Now, even if you don't know how to edit the video, even if you don't know how to edit videos, I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to do everything here. And I think, give or take, I'm trying not to make this video more than an hour. So let's go. So first of all, so my name is King, right? I'm the one you guys are okay with me, right? Now, I have people working for me. I want to have more hands on deck because we have a lot of work and we need more extra hands. Now, uh, we have a contract. Personally, we have a contract with a white firm. So we're creating videos. The idea is simple. We're creating videos and we're submitting it to the firm. So one time which we're actually working with. And so we have like over give or take we have like over 500,000 videos that we need to create and to submit and actually approve. Now, uh, if you've ever seen a PowerPoint presentation, or if you've ever seen a PowerPoint presentation, for instance, you'd see whereby each slide, for instance, are like showing, and for some of the presentations are kind of like already recorded, voices are already playing in it. You're already hearing the voices and everything and everything. So that's literally exactly what we're doing here. We're just making PowerPoint presentations based off whatever topic you're being given. The topic is already given. Based off whatever topic you're being given for the and then you're submitting it down to me. Submitting it for approval and everything. That's just a simple if you say, no, I'll show you a sample, I'll play a sample of some of the videos, yeah, just for you to actually get an understanding. So for instance, this is of video, one of the sample videos.
Welcome back to our lesson on evaluating evidence, but this time, with a twist. We're diving deeper into the elements that make evidence impactful. Element 1. Relevance. But here's the twist. Relevance is not just any puzzle piece. It's the piece that completes the masterpiece. Example. In a history essay about the civil rights movement, a quote from Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. is relevant evidence that adds depth. Element 2. Credibility, with a twist. Credibility isn't just about trustworthiness. It's the secret agent that ensures the truth. A first-hand account from a civil rights activist is a credible source that reveals the truth about the movement. Element 3. Bias, with a twist. Bias isn't just a fog. It's a prism. It can distort, but it can also reveal different perspectives. Twist. Quality isn't just about what elevates its impact. Bias and quality together, revealing the intricate layers of these four elements, create a 3D masterpiece from nonfiction texts. So, remember these four elements: relevance, credibility, bias, and quality, and you'll master the art of evaluating evidence with a twist.
Okay, so that was just simply one of the videos which that's just a sample of the videos you would actually be working with or you would creating. That's just one of the videos, and that was actually based on investigation being a detective. That's just what the particular one is all about. Now, this is how it works, right? The job is very, very simple. For the first time of you starting it, you probably know it probably take a while for you to get the hang of it. But once you get the hang of it, when you start understanding it, it's something you can create something like five videos in a day or more. Because you watch that presentation of like 1 minute, 48 seconds, not even up to 2 minutes. There's some videos up to 3 minutes, but the max overall is 3 minutes, something seconds, not to 4 minutes. Now, how it works is there are scripts already written down. When I mean script, it's just like a presentation script already written down. That everything you're working, everything you're doing is based off that script. So in other words, you don't have to crack your brain and think of whatever to write or whatever to put. The things to be written, the things to be said, everything and the pictures of whatever thing you'll be doing are already written down. Your job is basically to do research of whatever thing they actually asked that they want in the video and everything. So let me move forward for you to understand. So for instance, This here is a script, 6.3 hook. 6.3 hook. This is one of the scripts given. Title 6.3 hook. If you look at this script, if you look at this script here, it's at the beginning is already showing opening shot of a dimly lit theater stage with a red curtain. The spotlight slowly illuminates the center stage, revealing a character standing there. Narrator voice. Imagine stepping into a world where every emotions, every actions, every word has a purpose. This is literally scene one. From year to year is literally scene one. What will be said in the video is what is here. Imagine to purpose, the narrator's voice. Now, but what they want to be in the background is what they've written here. Opening shots of a dimly lit theater stage with a red curtain, the spotlight reflecting and the character standing there. So your job is to look for an image or a video, a muted video that has this requirement while the AI is still saying this line, is reading this statement out. So the idea is the AI is reading the already given script, and the video or image in the background is to match what the AI is saying, and they've already given you exactly what's right. Now, what you'll be getting from me, or what will be given to you, is the script of whatever video you actually to create. Whichever, now, for instance, this is book. It has like how many? This is just a two-page. This is just a two-page book, right? DI1, DI2. So there are three types of videos you get. You get the type of video. You get the 6.3 or whatever point another one, DI1, like for instance, let me say 6.3. You actually probably see a 6.3, 6.3 DI1 and 6.3 DI2. So the version is it can be any video based on whatever topic it is, or it will be numbers we're using to represent them. But the catch is you'd either get a whatever number DI1, whatever number DI2, and each of those scripts are different scripts on their own, which individually brings down different money of 5,000 just like I said. Now, 6.3 is a kind of video that you actually, after you're done creating it, you can add an avatar figure. So, for instance, the video we played, you saw the AI man in suit reading it out. It's called an avatar. 6.3 needs an avatar needs to be put there. 6.3 DIQ, an avatar needs to be put there. But any video or any script I send to you, having the 10, whatever number, and DI1, you need to create them, but don't add any avatar to it. Do you understand me? Don't add any avatar to it. So, okay, okay. Don't add any avatar to it. That's just one of the rules. Don't add any avatar to DI1. And then you use clear images. Different places you can get clear keyword clear images are number one, iStock, Getty Image, Google. So for instance, if you're looking for a picture or video that you can't see on iStock or Getty Image, then you search on Google for it. And make sure they are clear images and make sure they don't have watermark. Now, I'll also show you how to download images from iStock without watermark. Do you understand me? I'll show you how to download images from iStock without watermark. So moving forward, let me show you. Now, the platform would also be using in creating the video. So there's a platform you use to create. You don't use Adobe Photoshop or other editing or Canva or whatever. But also Canva is also a good place to also get images or videos needed for scenes. So if you would know how to use Canva, how to edit, like you can go to Canva in the elements box, search for videos or scripts or pictures relating to what you see. That if you can't find them on iStock or Google or get image, you can also try searching on Canva or ensure they don't have any watermark. Now the platform we'll be using to edit video is called Synthesia. Synthesia. Synthesia.io. That's the most platform we'll be using. I'm paying for it already, or we're paying for it already. We'll just give you the login details to it. You don't need to pay for anything. You don't need to pay for the subscription. We're covering the subscription already from our own end. So you just click on login. We'll send you the login detail to any of the Synthesia accounts we offer or we give you to use. And we need to also ensure, we need to also see that you're actually active and you're really performing to really flow with us for a long time. But working with, we're taking a whole lot of, there are actually a whole lot of people already working with us, and we actually need more hands on deck. And for now, we're taking a lot of people in just to test, to see your effectiveness, to see how good you are, to see how many mistakes you make that we can easily correct, and to see how reliable you are. With time, if you're not forthcoming, if you're not up and doing, we also let go of some of people also. So, okay, this has automatically logged into the account already. Okay, so I logged in to the account already. We'll send you the login details for information that will actually assign to you. Now, these are videos that have actually been created on this intention account already. This is one being created currently. It's on draft. Moving forward, so these are if you're creating a video, just like I said, I've given you a script and I've given you the login details as essential. You probably come here, you probably see other videos already, right? Because we'll be sharing login details to a couple of you won't be the only one using this essential account. You'll be using this essential account a couple of other people. So whenever you're creating a video, after putting the title of the video for easy identification, also in brackets, put your name. Do you understand? Either you put your name or just write your name in bracket and place it as part of the title. The idea is to make people know that you're the one working on that script and to prevent other people from mistakenly working on yours. One and number two, when we are coming to review it, person, well, of course, now we're actually logging into that selection to review your work, download your work. You would actually be able to identify who actually did this and who actually did that. Do you understand? To be able to assign, to be able to allocate your payments. Like, okay, yes, you actually did this. You're the one who did that. You're the one who did that. And if there's need for correction, you can easily message you and all of that. So that's so now when creating a new account, after you've logged in like this, you come here, you create on new videos. You click on new video, right? Then you click on blank video. Click on blank video. It loads up. Now, the shape we're using, the size of the shape is like that of a YouTube thumbnail, which is 16.3. So landscape video, you click on landscape video. And by default, first of all, this is how it comes. The blank with already an AI. You come here and you delete this, first of all. Because in case you're doing a DI1 video, just like I said, you would not need an AI. But first of all, just delete this. And this is just a blank page. Now, for instance, remember we're working on 6.3. 6.3. The next thing you do is you come here under the title and then you name it. So you write there 6.3. And secondly, no two persons will be given the same script. Everybody will be given different scripts to work on. But if you're delaying, if you're not forthcoming, then would message you and take a script away from you and assign it to another person. And if you continue delaying after a while, we also have to let you go. Now, 6.3 updates the title. So if for instance my name is Jasper and I'm the one working on this particular account, I'll open a bracket also and I'll write Jasper. And then you leave it. The idea is we know that it's actually just created it, but at the same time, we also know the name of the file just created. And also I'll be able to easily check with the script we actually get just by it actually create. Now, you've titled it, you have a blank. The next thing is to know how many scenes you will need. Now, what you mean by scene is each part of the video, when activated, it's called a scene. It's called a scene. Now, we need to know how many scenes will be needed because currently this is just in one. You come here, you come to 6.3. How you know the number of scenes needed is based on the number of scenes already asked for here. So for here, this is a very complete shot. You already know this scene one, and this is what we said in the scene one. One. We'll come here, this is scene two. This is what we said in the scene two. So two, scene three, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Okay, and the dramatic pause, living, excited, latest, 11, because this one now shows screen fades to black, displaying the lesson title and objective. So this makes it 11. 11 scenes. The next thing you come here and you just duplicate. This is scene 1. You repeat 10 more times to make 11 sync 2, sync 3, sync 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we've already created five scenes now that will be needed. The next thing to do, why it is to make my work easier or to make it easier for you, you just come here now. This one you have to be very careful so you don't make mistakes. You come here and then you just copy and paste every single thing that the AI person would actually say. So for scene one, this is what we said. But now this is what they want to show, and this is what we said. So you just copy from image to the full stop here. You don't copy the apostrophe. Don't copy the apostrophe above. So you just come here and for scene one to paste, copy and paste. So you come to now your work automatically saves as you're working on it. You just have good internet connection, it automatically saves. You come look for scene two, narration voice from here to there, you copy scene two, you paste, scene three, copy, paste, and four, copy. So you can fast forward this place a bit when watching the video because I'll just be copying and pasting. Just you can fast forward a bit down to the ending of when I done copying and pasting all the things. Now, but we have 11 scene because if you look at here, it's red. Screen fades to black, displaying the lesson title and objective. So we'll just come here for scene 11. So for scene 11, which is the scene fades to black, there is nothing to be said, right? So instead, what you do is you add the first time. First time means the lesson will just stay there for like that for a while. Scene fades to black, displaying the lesson title and objective. So you just come and then you click on this or you click on pause here. And in actual milliseconds, you have in 4 seconds to 5 seconds. The reason is so the 5 seconds. The reason is so this last thing, as I said here, is the screen change to black, displaying the lesson title and objective. So probably they'll just start with this last one since it's simple. You just come here, click on shift, you click on this, this red. Oh, sorry, no, shift and shift. This, I mean, this is red everywhere. So since they said the scene changed to black, we need it to be black outside. And so the text I mistakenly changed earlier. Let me fix it. Okay. So this is just for the last thing, which is the scene change to black, displaying the lesson title and objective. Okay, what's the lesson title? Go check for it. Check for the lesson title. So it's just the lesson title here for the lesson for instance. We do that. So now let's go back to scene one. That was just oh sorry. So you can undo if you make a mistake. So this was actually a mistake on my end. That was not what I intended to do. Yeah, okay. Ah, okay. So let's come in now back to scene one. So scene one. The next thing you're doing next is you're reading what they want to do in the background. So opening shots of dimly lit theater stage with a red curtain. The spotlight slowly illuminates the center stage, revealing the character standing there. Okay, so this sounds like a video. This is what saying the spotlight is slowly illuminate. So it's probably like a video clip of a stage of light being shown on stage. So come here, let's go to where we get clear images. So I stop and let's search on for images first. Although I think for here, make sure to return image stage. Okay, okay. Let's search another videos there. So just copy theater stage with red curtain. Let's see what I stuck out for us with the theater stage with red curtain. Okay, so up the theater stage red curtain, the spotlight slowly illuminates the center stage, revealing the character standing there. Imagine stepping into a world where actions everyone has a purpose. Okay. So let's see. Mm, this open. So you want to open shot already made its theater stage. Into red curtain. The spotlight slowly illuminates the center stage. Okay, the spotlight illuminates center page where the character standing there. The curtain is already open. With this, they said they want to code it. It's a stage where the curtain is already where the curtain is already open. But a spotlight is slowly revealing the person there. So let's see. Okay, this go with uh, okay. So this is actually the work part. This is what you do, which is you research. for videos or pictures in correlation to what they asked for. Either the same or similar to exactly what they asked for. So also you can also create images and videos. So if for instance they're asking for a picture or something that you've seen probably part of it, but not seeing the main thing or all of it in the picture, you can download it, go to Canva, go to wherever and edit it to fill in what exactly they're asking for, then upload it. Do you understand? Let's work with this. Let's work with this for this. I think it's now to download this video, you can't download this video directly like this. You will do it based on this iStore button here. And it's bad, it's not what is needed. Do you understand? So the next thing you do is you come here and then you download the iStore video. So this is one of the sites you use. Newdownloader.le to download iStock video, not iStock pictures, iStock videos. And you come here, you copy, paste, and you search for the video. Download generated video. You only store it to wait for 30 seconds, 15 seconds, you wait. Oh, oh. Okay, sometimes after waiting for 30 seconds, you also see it waits for say 15 seconds, but a couple of times after 30 seconds, you are able to download it. I don't know, it's just your own way of getting traffic or whatever. Or at least you're able to give us the video without the watermark. Okay. It's delayed. So here's the video without the watermark. Okay, sorry for the. You know why it's slow here? I don't know why they're not talking so slow. Okay, so we have it downloaded. The next thing is you come back to synthesia, click on it, click on media, library, and you upload. Okay. Next is you just click on use as background. Just switch view the screen. Okay, so we're good. Not quite getting properly yet. But like this now, we're done with scene one. We just move to scene two. We're done with scene one, just move to scene two. Okay. Yeah, okay.
Imagine stepping into a world where every emotion, every action, every word has a purpose. This is the world of drama.
Okay, so we're done with scene one. We come to scene two next. So scene two, the character on the stage starts to express various emotions and gesture, captivating the audience attention. The character on the stage starts to express various emotions and gesture. Okay, let's see. We already have a lot of image of this woman already. Let's see. Okay, funny enough, this one actually looks. I just have no idea why it's outfit. It's showing. Let's search for something else. Okay, let's see. This is a world of drama, a world where character comes to life. Okay, so let's look for a video that kind of. Let's use this one. I think this one looks good. Expressing different emotions and gesture. Expressing different gestures, captivating the audience attention. So I really hope this stuff actually went through. Although it's just a personal reflection. To take into social. That's actually let's see. As I'm talking about. As I had to refresh this one. As I had to refresh before I posted the link here. Okay, so simple. That's basically how it is. You already copied the write-ups already, which is narration. So you look at whatever they accent for. You look for images or videos that goes along what is actually being asked, and then you put them in each scene, down to the ending. Right? You can also create images yourself as long as they align with what's actually being said or asked for or requested. Do you get my point? So, correct. I think the third one should be images. So I'll show you where to download images from. So you see all those videos are actually military videos because we don't want to tell me what you're saying. We are getting them for because what we want to be said and already be said, already be spoken. First, when you start it for the first time, you actually get results. You don't get lost, like, to just be this thing as soon as you just start it. Right? You can also always come back to watch the video for clear directions, anything you don't really understand. You get just so when you get used to it and you start working with it better.
Imagine stepping into a world where every emotion, every action, every word has a purpose. This is the world of drama, a world where characters come to life. Have you ever wondered how the words on a page
Okay. So the next one will be scene three. Let's come here. Quick transition to a split screen image. On one side, the student is reading a script, and on the other side, a character of a famous play is shown in action. So this is, for example, here, this is a perfect example of what I mean by creating an image. So quick transition of a split screen image. So they want an image, but divided into two. One in one side, one on the other side. Do you understand? Uh, a split image of a student reading a script, and on the other side, a character of famous play in a show. What the narrator saying? Have you ever wondered how the mood on the page transform into a living, breathing personality? So, in this instance, now there is almost no play where you can actually get an image of whether you see a student reading a script on one side and a character on a famous play on the other side. So instead, what we'll do is we'll get these images individually. They'll go to Canva and add them together in a new page. We'll add them together, then we'll come here and upload. Do you understand? So for you now, a student reading a script, you just search for student reading a script. Basically, you need to look for scripts, not a book. Like, script, script. Oh, sorry, under images, sorry, still in videos, under images. There's a child, so we can't use this one because it's not really children. We use actually use it for adults, college students, adults. So we can't use that one. Doesn't relate to them. So let's say for instance, let's say for a person reading a script. Okay, this is a person reading a script for this is the same girl that was in the video. I know like this. Let's say show that. Okay, we can use this. Just copy it out. Okay, let's use this. better. So for this now, we'll come here, we'll copy this. Now to download my stock images, the websites to go for what's in so we'll just probably search it to download stock. Okay, so okay, this is the site. Step to down. This is the sites. So come here, you copy the URL. Come here and paste it. So it should give us this image clear, but without the watermark. So this is it. So download the image. One. Now come back and look for the second thing they asked for. Character from a famous play is shown in action. This is, I don't know any play at all. I don't really. Let's just search character from a famous play and I step and see what comes. The part of the reason we really use iStock is because the qualities are actually quality of pictures are actually clear and they are free pictures. You understand? They're not copyrighted pictures. But you just have to pay to the access to them. Now the reason we are using those is because we're not paying for the image, we're not renewing any subscription on iStock. Instead of just getting images and then for the free pictures they are not they can't the company will submitting the video for can't be sued because the images are free pictures. Yeah. When you influence the character, how you search on the person's name. So this something this looks like probably a famous player, something from the 80s. Got no idea. So it sure looks like a famous actor. Guess. Okay. Yes, no. Okay, so I won't do all the scenes so that I won't really take much of so the video won't be too long. But I'll just put some things, I'll just do some finishing touch. So now that we actually have the two images, the next thing you probably do now is and you go to Canva and then you learn how to you edit the images together like probably just in one frame, still the same landscape, YouTube landscape, 16:12. You crop each of these images, you get with Canva, you make this one out, you make the other one out, and then you bring both of them in. You join both of them in the same picture together, then you come here and then you move it. Now, if for instance, this is I'm just trying to touch some things right now. So because I don't want it, if not, creating the video will probably take me like 2 hours, and this will probably take that much. I don't want it to take that much. So if for instance you're creating a script, you're creating your witnessing, and it requires like let's say an image should be shown first, then at certain point another image should replace. So let's say, for instance, they actually ask for those two images, but they did not ask for it to be together. They probably say the student within the script should be first, and then the famous actor should come in second in the same scene. For instance, but that's not so that's why this is what you do. So the first we'll add to the first one of the student within the script. So just copy them up, please. So let's say, for instance, they ask for two pictures in a particular scene. So come here first, but that's not the actual here. I'm just using it in case probably get it. We use this as a background. This is the first image. Right? Now they now said probably they now require that when you get to they now probably say something of also another image being here in this same set. The next thing you do is you also come here. You also upload the second picture also. That's one now. And this time you don't use as background as you've been doing for the first one. This one you drag yourself and you overshadow. You make sure it covers the image in the back. Okay, it's covered. Then the next thing you do is you set the timer for this. That says, now for instance, there are two pictures now in this particular set. We want the one at the back to show after I got this one should show. The next thing you do is you come on. There is this called marker. You look for a point where you want this place to show. So in this case, let's say it has said, have you ever wondered how the world on the page transform into a living, breathing personalities? So let's say we put that marker in. Let's say we want this image to show when the AI gets to this living, breathing personality. We put the marker in. You click on this image. When you click on the image, it shows the animation. Click on animation. When do you want the image to fit? When do you want it to enter, to fit in? When do you want it to fit? Move it to at marker one. So you're telling it now that in this scene, when it goes to this place where it's marker one, which is before you just started in this second image should come in. Now let's play a preview. Let's see.
Have you ever wondered how the words on a page transform into living, breathing personalities?
Do you understand? You see, it's a living, breathing personalities. So think about this marker thing here. She really is family because it's made the AI read this kind of uh, so that's how you do like two pictures in a particular scene. And you just follow all the requirements and all of that and all of them will be done together in the same. At the end of this video, not going to 2 minutes long. After you've done all the requirements down to scene 11 for this one, the next thing you do now is you talk about scene transition. How do you want how do you want the scene to move out and sequence should come in? That's the next thing you add also. So we come to twist and scene transition. You want scene transition and then you pick it at random. There's no don't stress yourself thinking about just pick them at random. Come to scene two. How do you want scene to move? Come here. Pick it at random. Just pick anyone. Scene three. How do you want it to move out? Come here. Pick at random. So you do the same for all the scenes. So you get to just pick for a random. How do you want it to move out for the next one to come in? So after you're done picking up scene transition, the next thing is music. Now, if you listen to all the video presentation or whenever you're listening to a lecture or presentation to make it more better, there's always like a music at the background. Makes it calm, it makes it okay. So the next thing you do is you add the music. And so there are lists of music here. You just play it and then you just play a great preview to know which of them probably good for whatever you're looking for. I think it's about poetry. This may actually be good for it. I don't know. Let's try another one. Let's just use this one for instance. When you add the click on change all so that the music appears in all the scenes. You understand? So I can click on change all now, the music should in all the things. So you have to do it one by one for each scenes. So after you've done after you've added all the scenes, you put a scene transition, you add your music. Now, this for instance now is 6.3. It's not a point, it's 6.3, which means you also need to have a but not in every scene. Probably put for this one now there's 11 scene. Probably in the first and last scene is compulsory. First and last scene. And probably in two other scenes also. Three other scenes. So you can put one, two, then three other scenes here, making it a total of 5 scenes where the avatar will show you many six no avatar and everything. Because we do will hook and DI2, you also put an avatar, but DI1 we don't use an avatar. So you just go and click on avatar. So let's probably use this girl. Let's use this girl. For instance. Okay, then You reduce percent. You move on to the level you feel is best. So the voice would also change towards then you come here central. So you come here and then you make sure you change that. So and you don't have that for audio settings. Just change it to um and you can also put the other again on other signals just like I said, put it like 4 5 cents here. And by the time you're done with that, by the time you're done with that, I'm not won't synchronize until you've generated and you've added the music and added the feed. The next thing is you just click on generate. And you click on generate, and the thing will generate by itself, sync everything together with lips also say, and you're done. As long as you call it, you're done. Once you click on generate, so come out and it starts generating. The next 15 minutes it will generate by itself. And you're done. You just go to the next script, you go to the next script, and you told me, I come and check them. I see it goes through, I submit them. If now, number one, none of your work will be rejected. What I mean rejected, I mean cancelled. None of them will be cancelled in the sense of you've put in effort and you've done a job. And then after it was rejected, it was cancelled. No, none of your work will ever be cancelled. But corrections can be given to your work. Do you understand me? So in other words, every single job you do will finally end up being approved at the ending. But if there are probably mistakes spotted in one or two places, reviews, revision or corrections can be given, and I'll give you, and I'll tell you, I'll communicate them to you. Now you go back and you make these corrections and you submit again. Sometimes you make the necessary correction, probably needs to get it to submit the mistake, the correct. At the ending point, you will actually still get approved. So each of the videos, each of the work you're doing will actually end up getting approved. But if you don't make a mistake, and the problem is especially first video, the first time making it good to be approved months before and you be paid. Do you understand me? So that's simply exactly how it works. There are probably maybe other things that probably being taught here, but if you have any issues going forward, the probably correct you. So that's basically once you're done, you just tell me you're done. I'll come, I'll check on them. I'll come, I'll play it, check your script, and I'll move forward. I'll submit them. Review vision. See, we actually much takes 24 to 48 hours. I never put out communicate to you if corrections be given, I'll communicate to you if corrections and finally everything will be approved. So thank you. So that's what you I'll send you the login details. So I have access to your synthesia platform. I'm not sure. So you have access to the synthesia platform so you can work with. So just give me just once you're done watching this video, give me feedback that you watched it and you're good and you're ready to start. And I'll send you the login details. So thank you, thank you, thank you.